Have you ever noticed that the moments right before you fall asleep feel different? Your body becomes heavy, your thoughts start to drift, and the world around you begins to fade. Most people see this as just a sign of tiredness. But what if I told you that this short window of time, this in-between state, is actually the most powerful moment of your entire day? Welcome to Reality Rescripted. I'm Anna, and I'm so glad you're here. Today we are diving deep into one of the most transformative secrets of Neville Goddard, the SATS method. SATS stands for state akin to sleep. It is not just a relaxation technique. It is a direct doorway to your subconscious mind. It is the bridge between the life you have and the life you desire. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you exactly how to master this state so you can stop chasing your dreams and start living them. To understand why SATS works, we have to look at what happens to your brain. Throughout the day, your mind is in a beta state, active, analytical, and often full of doubt. This is the part of you that says, "I can't afford this," or "that will never happen for me." It's the gatekeeper that keeps your old reality in place. But as you drift towards sleep, you enter the theta state. This is where the magic happens. In theta, your logical mind finally takes a back seat. The gate is open. Neville Goddard taught that the subconscious mind does not care about what is real in the outside world. It is like fertile soil. It doesn't judge the seed you plant. It simply grows it. When you are in SATS, your subconscious is wide open, ready to receive a new script. You are not begging the universe for a favor. You are simply rearranging the furniture of your mind. Neville often spoke about the difference between the 3D world, the world we see with our eyes, and the 4D world of our imagination. Most people spend their lives reacting to the 3D world. If they see a small bank account, they feel poor. If they see they are alone, they feel lonely. But SATS allows you to reverse this. You go into the 4D world first. You feel the wealth. You feel the love. You feel the success before the 3D world shows it to you. Remember, the 3D world is just a shadow. It is an echo of your past thoughts. By the time you see it, it's already old news. SATS is where you create the new news. You are literally planting the seeds of tomorrow's reality, while the rest of the world is just reacting to yesterday. So how do we actually do it? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Physical relaxation. Lie down in a comfortable position. Neville suggested lying on your back because you want to be on the edge of sleep, but still conscious enough to direct your thoughts. Step 2. Create your scene. Your scene must be short, no more than 5 to 10 seconds. It should be a single act that implies your wish is already done. If you want a new home, imagine the feeling of your key turning in the lock. Step 3. The loop. Close your eyes and play it in your mind. Over and over. Feel the cold metal of the key. Hear the specific tone of a friend's voice. The goal is to make the imaginary scene feel more real than the bed you are lying in. Step 4. The sleep. This is the most important part. You must fall asleep while still feeling the emotions of that scene. You simply fall asleep as the person who already has what they want. I know what you might be thinking. What if my mind wanders? This is perfectly normal. If your thoughts drift, gently, without any judgment, bring it back to your short scene. Think of it like training a puppy. Be patient with yourself. Neville called the path to your goal the bridge of incidents. This is a series of natural events that lead you to your desire. You don't need to plan the bridge. You don't need to force the 3D world to change. Your only job is to stay in the end. Feel the relief, feel the gratitude. Let those feelings be the last thing you experience before the lights go out. Now, let's take a few minutes to practice this together. Wherever you are, if it's safe to do so, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. And let it out slowly. With every breath, feel your body becoming heavier. Relax your toes, your ankles. Let that relaxation travel up through your legs. Your shoulders drop. Your jaw softens. You're safe. You're still. You are entering the space between worlds. Now, bring to mind one thing you truly desire. Create that tiny 5-second scene right now. A handshake, a look in the mirror, a specific word from a loved one. Now start the loop. See it in your mind's eye. Add a sensation. What does it feel like to the touch? Reach out in your mind and touch it. Listen. What is the sound of your wish fulfilled? Hear it clearly. As you continue to loop this scene, feel the relief wash over you. It is done. Take this feeling of thank you and let it fill your entire chest. Tonight, when you lay your head on your pillow, return to this scene. Loop it until it feels like a solid reality. Fall asleep in that satisfaction. You are the author of your life, and the script is in your hands. If you found this journey helpful, join our community at Reality Rescripted. I'm Anna, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and watch your world transform.